Guys, in this video today, I have the biggest fruit in the world, and this is the jackfruit. Jackfruit is the biggest fruit in the world I discovered. Child, this fruit has a combination of a banana, mango, apple, strawberry, everything. Like, it has a combination of almost every fruit that you know. And this fruit has a very strong stench. Like, if you get close to this fruit, the smell is too tough. Like,
come on,
too hard to smell. You can smell from a very long distance. Today, I got this fruit, and I'm going to cut it open. So, one of this jackfruit. Hello. So, one of this jackfruit can cost like I bought it for 150,000 Vietnam dong.
that is a little over $5. I got myself an experienced jackfruit cutter, and so I'm paying some money for him to cut it for me. Now the fruit is very hard, so you need a very strong knife, and so the guy doing this has been cutting jackfruit for like he's been cutting and selling for like 5 years, and so he does so effortlessly. You can see how he's removing the middle part of the jackfruit, and he has a rubber on his hands. This is because the jackfruit is very sticky. Now, after cutting it open, he removes the middle part. He tells me that is not part of the fruit, and so I mean that's how it's supposed to be done. He removes this to make removing and eating of the seeds or the seedlings very easy. I mean, you can see the seeds in there. You don't eat the seeds, but where the seeds finds itself, I mean, the seeds find itself covered in certain in the fruit. That is what you eat, and so he's removing all those middle part, so that when removing the place that you can eat, I mean the edible part, it gets so easy. And so that is why the guy is removing this. And you can see that this guy is an experienced jackfruit cutter. He's been cutting fruit for a very long time, and so he knows what is edible and what is not. And so that's it, the guy removing it there. Now he's done. Now we are ready to remove the fruit, and then he packs the fruit for me. So after removing that middle part, he just opens it up, and wow, man, that is how the jackfruit is. Man, look at how it is. I mean, it's so sumptuous and it's so delicious. Like I said in the starting part, it tastes like orange, like watermelon, like banana, like any fruit. It's a combination of all this fruit. And I hear jackfruit, it's so nutritious. Like, it has a lot of nutrients in there. So he's removing the fruit, and then he will pack them for me to go and have them eating. Says 18. Whoa. This is great. So my first time, so I'm doing it my own way. Man, so good. It tastes so man. It looks like this, and then maybe you open it. Check this out. This is the seed. Put the seed out, and one thing about the jackfruit is that it has multi-purpose uses. So like, it is a fruit, but it can also be used as it can also be cooked as a vegetable. Let's finish up there. In the meantime, anytime you find a jackfruit anywhere, don't forget to buy and try it, because it is the best. And guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. My name is Kwekus Kenya Branche. Subscribe, and I bring you all the details, all the updates, all the food blogs, everything.
in Asia. I'm the man for you. So don't forget to subscribe and let's get going. Guys, it's a bye for now. It's the jackfruit edition. It's the jackfruit edition.